If you're encountering the matchmaking error 2026 in Call of Duty, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue and get back to gaming. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Call of Duty server status page to see if there are any ongoing issues or maintenance that could be affecting matchmaking. Step 2. Restart your game. Close the game completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher like Battle.net or Steam to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Update your game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates in your game launcher and install them. Step 5. Check network connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Restart your router or modem if necessary, and consider using a wired connection for better stability. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error and enjoy your gaming experience. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.